Ronaldo strikes and Ronaldo scores. Fitting that there is more than a sprinkling of magic about an historical. It's happened on Swedish soil. Class finding its target, and Ronaldo finding the back of the net again. Oh, he's bringing out his greatest hits on what it is, greatest international night.
Casemiro kept on going, fed it for Ronaldo! Of course! Ramos. Ronaldo! He's only gone and done it again! His stage, his goal, his 99th Marcelo all the way. That's terrific. That's Ronaldo. That's the tie. That's a perfect hat-trick and a perfect Bernabeu night. Casemiro can send it back in. And there's the... And who else than the king of the Bernabeu, Cristiano Ronaldo. 101st goal of champions. Godin, Ronaldo. A chance for Ronaldo to cause it. He just stumps it in. And what an important one, Cristiano Ronaldo. Big player on a big stage. And Raul Vasquez pulls it back. Here's Ronaldo for the hat-trick. Ronaldo does it again. Back-to-back hat-tricks in back-to-back Champions League games. And the greatest goal scorer in the history of...
Ronaldo, top it over, and it's in. It's goal number 25 for Cristiano Ronaldo.
In range for many, but for this man, certainly. Oh, what a most goal. Certainly. Courtois completely bamboozled. It's 50 for the season. There's a fair amount of worry amongst the Marseille supporters, and why not? It is absolutely magnificent. Right out of the top drawer from Cristiano.
It's Ronaldo. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Would you doubt him? Would you doubt him? Cristiano Ronaldo.
I think it's Ronaldo. He's trying it and he's scored! Incredible! What a hit by Cristiano Ronaldo.
Expression of Casillas said it all. Time. Beautiful. Beautiful. Something close to genius. He's turned the time around. Ronaldo! It's brilliant. You almost sensed it.
Worked. Clipped it towards Ronaldo! Manchester United strike first, and guess who? Cristiano Ronaldo's first ever goal against of the final. Cristiano Ronaldo, 4-1. He adds to his record collection. 17 Champions League goals in a single season. An unprecedented haul. Ronaldo. Danny Carvajal. Cristiano Ronaldo! Who else on a big night? Who else to open the scoring? Cristiano Ronaldo for Real Madrid. Luka Modric. Ronaldo's coming in and he's gone there again. And Real Madrid strike twice in quick succession. And it's 2 on the night for Cristiano Ronaldo. And then Ronaldo! Oh! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League.
Maria. Oh, it's a wonderful header. It is a truly wonderful header. The man nurtured by Manchester United has hurt Manchester United.
Cristiano Ronaldo, great feet. Cristiano Ronaldo, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. He is still the man, Cristiano Ronaldo, for Real Madrid.
Carvajal, Ronaldo equalises for Real Madrid in a flash.
Ronaldo once again looking to pop up and curl a shot in. My goodness, Cristiano Ronaldo, first player in history to score in all 6 games of a Champions League group stage.
It's onside here. Into Ronaldo. Every time they need a goal, Cristiano Ronaldo finds it. It's another one in the Champions League. 118, and the match.
Pjanic to find Dybala. Ronaldo's in the middle, and Cristiano Ronaldo scores. Juventus lead.
There they go. It's Ronaldo into the area, round the goalkeeper. Unstoppable. For the second time this season, Real Madrid have hit 6.
Ronaldo knows what he's doing, and he does it absolutely beautifully. Another special from Cristiano Ronaldo, and he's on to 49.
Ronaldo in front of him, Toprak trying to recover. Asensio's in the middle. Ronaldo taking it himself. Doesn't need the help. Second goal for him.
So with him, Ronaldo's the better option. Ronaldo makes Juventus pay for their mistake.
Oh, that's a poor mistake by Martin Cathern.